Hi and welcome back to Contact. Today's product is a gaming headset straight from Thrust. The Thrust GXT 393 Magna is a wireless gaming headset which is priced about 1290 kroners in Norway as the ordinary price and about 100 euros, but they're always on sale. Let's get out the box and see what we have to deal with. If you didn't already know, this is a Division 2 gaming bundle, so you get a code for the Division 2 game, then you get a Division 2 gaming mouse mat, and then a few cables and manual. Then you get the wireless dongle for the headset, and at last you get the headset. First impression straight out of the box, this headset is mainly made out of plastic, with a metal headband which seems secure. It also has a few metal plates which is mainly for details and effect instead of build. As you can see, the theme is black and blue with matching LED lights which you cannot change to other colors. The ear cushions on this headset feel very standard with no memory foam and just very springy cushioning. Let's take a closer look at the left ear cup. First we have a micro USB charging cable at the bottom, along with the AUX audio jack, so you can use it with a phone or something else. You have on and off button, and then you have a switch to change between 7.1 surround sound or 2.0. You also have volume up and down, and you have an integrated microphone in this little wing. On a single charge, this headset will provide 18 hours of battery life along with 15 meters of range, and they also are equipped with 50mm drivers, so they will provide a good bass, hopefully. This headset can be used on a PC and a PS4. Enough talk, let's take this headset for a spin. Let's sum up the Thrust Magna gaming headset. First, the negatives. The first negative thing about this headset is the microphone. It's very low volume and it kind of sounds like you're in a cave. The second negative thing about this headset comes when you put them on. They kind of feel very loose and you get a huge gap behind your ear. Through this gap, sound will leak in and out, and the headset will be further from your ear, so the drivers can't push all of their bass. So if you want all of the bass, you need to sit and push them on. Over to the positives. For this price, the sound is pretty damn good. You get the full sense of the whole spectrum, even though they sound muddy at times and you lose a bit of the bass because of the loose fit. Even though they struggle from a loose fit, they sit very nice on the head and they're very light to wear over long periods of time. And when it comes to the battery life, 18 hours should be plenty. Overall, I think this is a decent headset bundle, considering you get a full game and a mouse mat. I think this headset deserves a 6 out of 10. And that's all for today, but be sure to tune in next week for more product reviews. Until then, comment, like and subscribe. See you next week.